Today we're running a little wire. This is one of the bathrooms remodeling, and we haven't run some new wire for all the new fit. These are for the sconces here, going to be next to the vanity. And I have a little spot here where you've got a wall here that we need to come down in, and we have one over here. So what I've done is I've taken this piece of copper wire, just excess wire, and I've kind of turned it where it would come through here. And what I'm going to do now is go ahead and turn this piece in here, hook these two together, and then I'm going to crimp that a little bit right there so it won't let loose of it, because when we pull it through we don't want it to, we'll have to start over again. It's not a big deal, but you know, it's always better if you can just get it the first time out. Alright, so we're going to feed the wire through and push it back down in this hole right here, just like that. See it? Beautiful. Alright, and then we're going to have to fish this thing the other way here shortly, and I'm going to show you how we'll do that. It's got to come out, we've got to have a wire come into this box and then come out to the other side. So give me just 1 minute and I'll get that wire. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is a little trick. I'm going to take this wire and I'm going to tape it to this other one right here so I can pull it back through, because we're going to have wire on the other side. So I'm just going to take a piece of tape, gray tape right here, and squeeze it pretty tight, and I'm going to feather it down at the end down here so it'll feed through the hole. Alright, you see that? Okay. Alright, now we're just going to pull this back through, just like that. There we are. Look at there. Alright, so we've got the wire that's going to the other side already pulled at the same time we did this one. Don't pull that one all the way through. You'll be starting over again. So you just pull this tape off right here, like this. If I can get to it, there it is. Gray tape. It is great stuff. Alright, so now I'll pull this one, the one that I'm bringing to the box from the switch, and don't let that wire fall out. Pull it through. It's going to have to go in that box right there, and then we'll pull this one through the other way, just like that. And I've already pre-drilled these holes, so we're going to pull it through the holes. I like going straight across, so I take me a measurement from here to here and then from here up, and I drill all my holes in the center and pull them straight through. It's a lot easier than, you know, the existing ones that are old. They got angles on them, because trying to pull something through with those angles is a real booger. And I like to just have them straight, because when I put my insulation in, it's easy to cut a little slice, you know, on the top side, so you push it in and it just sandwiches it right in real nice. So anyway, well, we'll show you the finish shortly. We just got through installing the wire that goes from the switch and over to the, this is where it's going to end up, and then this right here, if you'll see, can you see that right there, where I labeled it hot? That's the wire that's coming from the switch, okay? And this is the wire that goes back over to the other sconce on this side. And one thing you want to do, and I'll kind of point out to you, see how we went back through here and across to the other sconce. And you'll notice on this side, I nail mine down quite often. I like to make sure these things stay straight, and that way, that's why I drill my holes close to the studs, because I know this wall is going to get insulated. If it went through that hole over there, it just makes it harder to get your insulation in there tight, and it's important that you get it tight. And when you bring your wire through here, this is not hot, by the way. Not until we run the hot wire over to the switch box. These little tie downs inside the box are very good too. Can you see that? I always use these things. Okay, that secures your wire, and make sure you have an excess wire to tie your sconce to it. Okay, and we just tuck that away for now, and it'll be ready for future use. These right here, I'm going to cut these off a little shorter. And as you can see, they're all nailed as we go, and it's going all the way back through, nailed here. And when I get over to here, you see again, I tuck them in the corners, kind of square. It makes putting the insulation in a lot easier. And then again, when I come through the holes, I nail it pretty close. As you see, I insulate the interior walls. This is a bathroom, and it does help keep noise down, and that's what I like. So, all right. that's it for now.